A very good morning, my dears. Welcome back to Maths Online Class. Everybody, open your page number 133. Solve the problems. Page number 133. Solve the problems. First one, roses are made up into bunches of 9 each. How many bunches could be made from 1233 roses? Solution. Each rose how many bunches having? Number of bunches of in one rose? 9. Each rose having 9 bunches, no? So 1233 bunches made up of how many roses? 1233 divided by 9. 9. Okay, one is smaller one now. So take two digits here. 9 ones are 9. Subtract 12 minus 9 3. Bring down 3. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 36 is greater number, no. 9 threes are 27. We have to take here. Subtract 3 is smaller one. Take borrow to before number. 3 become 2. 13 minus 7, 6. Next, bring down one's digit number. 3. 9 7 ja 63. 7 write up, 63 write down. 63 minus 63, 0. Here quotient is 137. So, therefore, 1233 bunches made how many roses? 137 roses. Next, second one. A jungle path is 731 kilometers long. If a sannyasi walks 17 kilometers per day, how many days will he take to reach the other end? Number of kilometers in jungle path. Jungle path. How many kilometers given there jungle path? 731 kilometers. Sannyasi walks 17 kilometers per day. Number of kilometers sannyasi walks. How many kilometers? 17 kilometers. Then we find out how many days will he take to other end, reach other end. So therefore 731 divided by 17. Now divide 731 17. 17 is smaller than 17. 7 is smaller than 17 now. So we have to take here two digits. 17 2s are 34. 17 3s are 51. 17 4s are 68. 4 write up. 68 write down. 17 5s are greater than this number. Now we have to take here 17 4s are. Okay. Now subtract. 13 minus 8, 5. Here 7 becomes 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Bring down 1. 17 3s are 51. 51 minus 51. Here quotient 43. Sannyasi reach other end 43 days. Therefore, Sannyasi reached to other end 43 days he will take. Sannyasi reached to other end 43 days. The product of two numbers is 8496. If the one number is 36, find the other number. The product of two numbers was 8496. Then one number is 36. Find out second number. So divided by 8496 divided by 36. Okay. Here first digit check. This is smaller than this digit. Now take two digits. 84 is greater than this number. So 36 2s are 72. 4 minus 2 2. 7 8 minus 7 1. Bring down 9. 36 3s are 108. 9 minus 8 1. 2. 1 minus 1 0. Bring down 1 digit 216. Okay. 36 6 are 216. 216 minus 216 0. Okay. One number is 36, another number is 236. Therefore, other number is 236. Next, fourth one. "24 chocolates can be packed in a box. How many such boxes will be required in pack 600 chocolates? Number of chocolates in box. Each box having 24 chocolates, no? So, 600 chocolates will be required. How many boxes? So, 600 divided by 24. So, now divide. 24 2s are 48. 10 minus 8 2. Here this one 5. Given borrowing, no. 0 become 10. Then 10 minus 8 2. 5 minus 4 1. Bring down 0. 24 5s are 120. Therefore, 600 chocolates will be required. 600 chocolates in 25 packets or boxes. Okay, 600 chocolates in 25 packets or boxes. Fifth problem, write in your homework book, Nana. Page number 133. Calculate till you understand a pattern, then fill in the rest by using the pattern. First calculate first 3, after understanding complete this all. Okay. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 by 8, 1. When we cancel 8 here, 8 there, no. 8 cancel, 1. 9 minus 1, 8 only, no. So 1. 98 minus 2. 98 minus 2, 96. Then divide by 8. 96 divided by 8, we get quotient 12. So write here 12. 987 minus 3 divided by 8. 987 minus 3, 984. Then divided by 8. 984 divided by 8 is equal to 123. So write quotient 123. Right here 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Think what will come here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now check it. 9876 minus 4 divided by 8. 9872 divided by 8, because when we subtract 4, that only we get 9872 divided by 8. When we divide here, we get quotient 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Think here what will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because look here, 1, we get 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5, no? Think mentally once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get that like answer. Same as like this. Complete all this and write your textbook. Send to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Page number 134. Observe and complete the pattern. 8000 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So here write 2000 directly. Okay. 0, 0 cancel. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Remaining 2 zeros also write. 200. Cancel these 2 zeros both sides. 4 ones are 4 twos are 20. Because 1 0 only there, no, cancel these 2 zeros. Here both sides having 3 zeros. Cancel this after. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 2. What do you observe this pattern? 2222. As the divisor increases, the quotient decrease. As the divisor increase, the quotient decrease. Next, second pattern. 6 cancel. 6 ones are 6, no? So 1, 3 zeros. Then 0, 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6, 100. Remaining 2 zeros also write up. 100 answer. Next, here both sides having 2 zeros. No, cancel these 2 first. After 6 ones are 6. 6 tens are 60. Here 3 zeros cancel. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6, no? 1. Divisor, here also divisor increases, quotient also decrease. Next, try these. Here directly 15 table given, no? 15 ones are 15, 15 six are 90, remaining 2 zeros also write up. Right here 600. Okay. Check both sides any zeros is there. Here 0 0 cancel. Remaining 15 is there, no? 15 ones are 15, 15 six are 90, 60. Next, these two sides 2 zeros cancelled after. 15 ones are 15, 15 six are. Right here 60. 666. And second pattern. 14 ones are 14, 14 fours are 56, 2 zeros also write. 400. Then second one 0 0 cancel. 14 ones are 14, 14 fours are 56, excess 0, 40. This is pattern, Anna. 440, then 4 coming. 0 0 cancel. 14 ones are 14 fours are. Okay, right here 4. 444. 666. Next, 8000 divided by 16. 16 ones are 16 fives are 16 fives are 80 now. Remaining 2 zeros right up. So answer is 500. Next, check this both sides having 0 0 now. Cancel this after. 16 ones are 16 fives are 80. One more 0 only there, no? Right up. 50. 550. Then what will come? 5. Check it. 2 zeros cancel. 16 ones are 16 fives are. Answer is 5. 555. Next, observe and complete the patterns. As the dividend decrease, the quotient also increase. As the dividend decrease, the quotient also increase. Sorry, as the dividend increase, the quotient also increases. 8 divided by 4. You know 4 table. 4 ones are, 4 twos are. 2. Here increase dividend. 4 ones are, 4 twos are 8, 0. 4 ones are, 4 twos are 8, 2 zeros. So here write 200. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 zeros. 220, 200, 2000. Here dividend increases, quotient also increased. 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. 2 ones are, 2 threes are 6, 0, 30. 220, 200, 2000. 330, 300, 3000. That like only no pattern. 2 ones are, 2 threes are 6, 0, 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 3000. Page number 134. Fill up your textbook all these answers, Nana. I will send on pic clearly. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answer. When we divide a given number by 1000, then quotient is obtained by removing the dash from the right. We know already. First three digits from the right. Take this answer. First one. If the divisor is 13, quotient is 3 and the remainder is 11, then the dividend is 13 into 3 plus 11. 13 3 is a 39, 39 plus 11, 50. Take this answer. Second one. Next, third one. The quotient in 43,021 divided by 1000 is. Look here children, here 3 zeros now. 3 zeros and 3 digits. So remaining number what is there here? 43. So 43 is quotient. Take this. Fourth one, sorry. Dividing 144 by 9 and adding 14 to the quotient we get. So divide 144 divided by 9. 9 1 jar 9. 9 6 54. Then add 14. So we get 30. Take this answer 30. Why? Because adding 6 14 and adding 14 they know. So 16 plus 14 is equal to 30. Next, fifth one. Given that 738 into 15 is equal to 11,070, the quotient for 11,070 divided by 738. Here 15 answer. Here this multiplicand, when this moving this side, this is divided, become divisor. Okay, so answer is 15. Next, sixth one. To find the dividend if there is no remainder, the divisor and quotient are. To find the dividend, we know divisor into quotient plus remainder multiplied, no? Remainder divisor into quotient multiplied, then remainder add. Okay, so multiplied. The cost of 20 books is 400. The cost of each book. Divide 400 by 20. 0 0 cancel. 2 2 4. 2 20s are 40. So each book cost 20 rupees. Or 0 0 cancel. 2 1 jar 2 20s. That like also we are doing. Answer is 20. The leftover when 234 is shared equally by 4 is 234 shared by equally. 4 5s are 20. 4 8 are 32. So what is the remainder here? Leftover 2, no? Leftover means remainder. Remainder is 2. Next, when divisor is 3, quotient is 47, remainder is 1, the missing digit of the dividend. 14 is We know already formula. Quotient divisor into quotient plus remainder. 3 7 are 21, 3 4 are 12. 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 142. Here given already 1 4. So last digit, then ones digit what here coming? 2. So right here 2. Take this middle answer. Okay, take this middle answer. Next, fifth one. If the cost of 100 computers is 16,27,500, the cost of 10 computers shall be. Here 100 computers cost given. They are asking 10 computers cost. So balanced, both numbers having two zeros, ones plus 0, no, cancel these zeros, then we get 10 computers cost. So 1,62,750. Take this answer. These multiple choice questions, everybody write your textbook, take the answers, Nana. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.